よ。
やっぱり君は最高だ。
Hello, little children! Welcome to summer camp! Today you're gonna learn about Jesus, and boy, are you gonna learn about how the big man loves you, and, oh, who's this beautiful young man over here?
Are you sure we have to wear these, Ettore?
Look, Biscuit, we just gotta go undercover until we can get some vital information. We're having a sting operation into this camp, alright?
This is like that Hell of a Boss episode where they go undercover to infiltrate a summer camp.
No, it isn't.
They were even adults pretending to be kids, like us.
Caves hide secrets. I think we know enough about who's running this to, maybe spring the spider on him. Don't worry, calm down everyone, sit down and shut up, everything's gonna be fine. Oh, Biscuit, check it out. Mystery mushrooms and the cactus. You know, they have water cactuses if you eat them. I'm for rations, children. Biscuit, I would not eat the cacti. I'm already having withdrawal symptoms. Those damn dirty kids always do is talk about and complain. Oh, stop hurting us. Oh, this isn't what Jesus would want. Oh, cry me a river. You know how much I sacrifice. Sorry, we don't arrest Christian leaders. So you mean to tell me that you won't arrest anyone for any reason just because they have a clergy position? Yes.